Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your VW Beetle suspension. First, we'll explore the popular techniques for achieving a higher ride height, covering both front and rear modifications. Then, we'll discuss the essential parts you'll need, like longer shocks and adjustable components. Finally, we'll review important considerations to ensure your lifted Beetle performs safely and effectively. Let's get started on transforming your classic. For the front suspension, several methods can achieve a lift. Beam adjusters are a popular choice, allowing you to easily dial in your desired height. Another option is using drop spindles, which can actually raise the body while maintaining original suspension geometry. Remember, with any front lift, you'll likely need longer shock absorbers to ensure proper damping and full suspension travel. Always prioritize safety and correct component matching. Lifting the rear of your Beetle typically involves adjustable spring plates. These allow you to change the angle of your torsion bars, effectively raising the vehicle. Just like the front, longer shock absorbers are crucial for maintaining ride quality and preventing bottoming out. When lifting significantly, pay close attention to your axle angles and the potential stress on your constant velocity joints. Proper setup prevents premature wear and ensures a smooth ride. After lifting your VW Beetle, several crucial steps ensure optimal performance and safety. Always get a professional wheel alignment to correct any changes in camber and toe. Carefully inspect your brake lines and emergency brake cables to confirm they have enough slack and aren't stretched. Finally, select tires and wheels that not only fit your new ride height, but also enhance its appearance and off-road capability. Enjoy your newly lifted Beetle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.